Hello traders, welcome all of you. So as you all know, the market is so bad in these days. You can see here it's a sideways market, and the market is not stable. You can see here going up and down. So we are just trying to take one or two trades in this bad market. I don't suggest you to take trades like in this market. So let's try to draw some lines here. In fact, it's very difficult to take trades like in this market because there is very higher chance to have fake breakouts. So if the market is not steady or strong, it's better not to take trades is better. It's also difficult to draw the lines also. It's very difficult to find out the levels also. Here you can see there is difficulty in drawing lines. So now we can wait, and if we will get only trade if we get a proper trade. So here also the side market, you can see the market is not good. You can see it in the charts. It's moving like a ranging market. It's ranging, purely ranging. Anyway, just try to draw the lines first. We are only looking for strong SNR here. So if you skip one or two trades or one trade, it's not a bad thing if you lose. If you find out if the market is bad, then don't hesitate to take a leave on trading. You can trade and earn when the market is at its best position, or whenever the market is in a trend. You can see the chart is going like up and down. There is no trend. The market is moving sideways. So now we have a support and resistance. Here also it's touching the level. There you can see a gap up also, and it's a strong level. You can see the gap down there. Okay, it's look like it's okay. We need the candle to go up and get a rejection, otherwise we won't trade, because it's a bad market. We want the okay, it's coming up. We are just looking for another levels there. No, so we can, okay, it's going up, you can see, but we need a strong rejection to, okay, there is no rejection, the buyers entering, so it could be a fake breakout, but it's if it's crossing the level, it's crossed the level, so I think the buyers will enter more, so we can expect a uptrend. Okay, I think we can take a trade here. Okay, it's crossed the level and it's going up, and there is another level there. That particular line is a level, so we want the buyers to cross the level to take a trade. In this kind of trade markets, we can't predict much. There is risk always. The calculations may get wrong, so trade with caution. Okay, it's going up, so we can expect the market to went up. So we need the next candle to come down and get a rejection. Okay, it's going up, but we can't trade if it's going up. We need a confirmation by coming down and get a rejection. Okay, it's coming down, but there is no sign of buyers. You can see there is no strong rejections. Okay, it's getting rejections, but it's a risky trade. Okay, it's getting rejection, so we are going for a trade there, and we just want to look more trades. So we expecting a win there. Let's see how it will happen. We got a strong rejection there, so there must be buyers entering the market, so we will wait here. Okay, here we just want to look. It's not look like a good market. All the charts are not good, but here I'm seeing big candles and big rejections. Going up here, so here it's not good to take a trade, so we are not drawing the lines here. Okay, we won the trade. I just want to tell you we don't have a signal group, so we won the trade. We want to stop with this one trade. Okay, it is going up. Okay, we won the trade here. Okay, it's come down and then it's gone up. Okay, here I think we missed a trade. Is it going up? We go if there is a rejection, strong rejection, we don't know. So I'm a little bit confused with this market, especially with Euro USD chart. This is not a trading setup. Okay, here the market is going up. Here the market, this particular resistance, you can see it's worked well. The market is reversed, so we want to wait to the market to reach the above level here. Here it's coming down. Here we are not going to trade, so close the chart. So here we can wait for the market to reach that particular, not reach, it's we just want to break the level. So because there is a resistance just below, that are two resistance. Here it's going up, here it's again going up, so this is the only place we can expect a trade now. Let's see what's gonna happen. Here we can trade even if it's coming down. Here we can trade if the candle break the level. Here also we can trade. No, it's coming down. Here also it's coming down. So I expect there is no trading setup right now. So only one trade in 11 minutes. We are not getting enough trades also. Market is so bad for few days. The last few days the market is so bad, so I won't suggest you to take trades. Take a leave and try to take trades when the market is steady. So I think we can stop the trading for today. Thank you for watching. All the very best. Keep training. All the very best.